Hey friends, if you wish to fix Chrome Autofill Not Working issue on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and there's an option called password and autofill. Click on this option and go to any of these options here, okay? Now, the thing is that when we talk about autofill, it basically refers to passwords, but you can go to settings and make sure that there is this option here which says offer to save passwords and pass keys. This should be on. Automatically create a pass key. Well, that's your choice. It's not important for autofill, but the first switch should be on and this switch is for autofill. Okay, now if that doesn't work, then simply click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to the option to reset it, reset settings to original defaults and reset settings. Now why am I suggesting you to reset the Chrome browser? Because the default setting for the Chrome browser allows you autofill. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.